Where you want to put everybody, Brian?
Put like one sit on the bed rail. Yeah. When you open the door, have another girl over there, and those girls on that rack.
Whoever you want.
Right.
You want the glasses or not? You got the mic on? Where's it at? Oh, you got it. I didn't tell you I couldn't do it.
Right side.
Got my glasses on. I don't know what it did, bro.
And all we got is 30 blocks. The sun is right. He drives to the water. Look, when I finally tell you we're going to shoot it, I have to open your eyes. Look, you hear me talking?
I'm going, boy. Get you that picture in there. That boy get his picture and stuff out of the truck. Oh, yeah.
Okay, so I'm guys, what you do is wipe the face. It's actually not bad. Let me tell you right here real close. You're fine. That's perfect in the back. Your face needs to turn a little bit towards the sun. Yeah, up. That's good. And you turn this way a little. That's good. Okay? And when you, yeah, you're fine. And then when I get, yeah, I want that front leg up and flex, okay?
That's what we've been needing all the time, right there.
Okay, you can keep your eyes closed. There you go. Okay, now, I want your eyes right here now. Okay, smile. Okay, stop. Close your eyes. Leave your head up. Lori? Yeah, leave your head up when you look at me, though. Actually, look, you can look out. Okay, since you're in the front, like you're looking, yeah, out, like navigating. Look kind of, yeah, what? That's it, like that, okay? Okay, and here we go. Let's do it. Again. Head up, Christine. Head up a little more. That's it. That's it. Okay, close your eyes. Close the door a little bit, Christine. Close the door a little bit, Christine. That's it. There we go. Okay. Same thing. Open your eyes. Let's do it.
Scope in on
Good.
On
Okay,
the
close
girls.
them.
I did. On both, all of them?
Mine,
Right on
let me
them?
know if I get in your camera, okay?
Each one of them.
Guys, here we go. Do it. Ready? Okay. Okay. Turn your head a little bit this way. That just kind of look like you're looking for land. For something there you can show. That's good. Okay. Good. Good. Okay, close your eyes. That's good. Unless anybody else wants any more.
Want to take them any other way?
No, actually that was pretty good. They were lit real well. That was 16 frames. We got the GATOR coaster.
Right.
Check that out.
So much, man.
Really?
Brian, you got some of your cards on you?
All three